Hello everyone, this is the code walkthrough for Talent Musica. It's a project um, deployed on Ripple EVM sidechain. So I'm gonna do a walkthrough to the code. This is the my repo made up of three subdirectories: the client subdirectory, the smart contract subdirectory, and the zero knowledge proof subdirectory. So the client is where we have the Vite directory that we use in building the front end. So we use Vite framework because of its speed, and Vite plus React. React is one of the most popular framework, and Vite adds speed to it. So that was why we used Vite. So we have made some components, made some assets, components, the footer, the header, the minter, the sound, the talent, the viewing, the welcome, and the zero knowledge Discord. So we created the pages. For each of the page, we have an index. For the crate, there is an index, and the crate.jsx we have for the explore, where we explore talents and their songs. We also have the hooks, which helps us to fetch data from the contract. So this is what we have for the front end, and I don't know, probably doing that of the smart contract code working. So in our smart contract, we walk into the talent marketplace smart contract. So the smart contract uses three open Zeppelin library: the counter, the ERC721 URI storage library, and the ERC721.so library. So we first of all called our contract talent, and so the talent is ERC721 storage. So we have to initialize our counter using the counter library of Open Zeppelin, then made up our address, the owner's address. So we went ahead to map our market item. That is the market item here refers to the work talents put in the marketplace for everyone to see and view, and then see possibly if they could get hired. Then we looked at the number of watch, how interested their work is, that attracts users to view their videos. Then we created a struct to handle the market item, and the struct to handle that of the watch. We made an event. The essence of this event is to help in emission of each state change. So there will be an event being emitted. So that will have a constructor to set the name, so which we call Talent Musica TMUS. So we created modifiers like only owner, what only owner can do. So we started, this is our first function here, function create token. So this is what actually where the user calls from the front end to create his token. That is, token here refers to the talent's video being minted. So that is done here, and the create market item helps in enlisting it to the marketplace. After these videos are minted or created, then we can make sales. This is where um, these talents can get contacted for onward probably deals and sales. Then we have the report. This report can only be generated by the only owner, so this can help the admin to find out who and what token, how well a certain artist is doing, how well which token is doing well, the contacts. Then because of copyright issues, we had to put another we had to put another code here, so that whenever there is a copyright infringement, we can easily, the admin can easily set the copyright infringement to true. Once it is set to true, copyright infringement, that particular talent's work will no longer be viewable in the marketplace. But if it is set to false, then it means that the work can be viewable. So we want to use this mechanism to fight copyright. This mechanism will help fight or mitigate someone copying verbatim another person's work without due consent or whatever that is by the international law copyright is. So once we receive a report, an investigation is made, and once it is certified true, it is set to false, so that such video does not come up again. So we have another function here, fetch all item. This is what actually helps in fetching all item on the marketplace for viewers to see. We also have another function, fetch NFT. This return only NFT by a particular token ID. We also say get total view. So this is what we use to put behind each video the number of views that it has gotten. Yeah, that is what we mean by get total view. Then get music view is the number per video. Total is for all the videos. So these are some of the functions we've been able to put together. Fetch one NFT pulls out only one particular video. So we have to put the token ID of that exact video. It pulls that out for us. So these are what we have created. Fetch item listed pulls out what a particular number, what a particular wallet number was able to mint on the network. So only what only your work is what is going to pull out that particular wallet number. Yes. So that is what we've done. So that is the contract. We have to go to our hardhat.config, set up our hardhat config. So look at the RPC EVM sidechain.xrpl.org. So this chain ID. Then we're able to use our .environment to pull out our private key in the .env. You can see it here. So we're able to run and deploy our smart contract. So you can see it here. Let me go in it. So you can see Talent Musica repo. So you can see it is deployed to this particular address. So that is the one that we've done. We deployed it and it was successful. So let me see if I'm gonna get me see if I am going to get yeah, talent. Yep. Very good. So this is the Explorer. So let me pick what we deployed. This is what was deployed, and let's see what we can get. Transactions. So let's look at transactions and see if we will be able to fetch out our smart contract that was deployed. Beautiful. So you can now see our smart contract has created. So you can see the balance. Contract creation. So we are live. Wow. So it's successful. So I think when I start interacting with the front end, I will be adding some music with the help of IPFS, NFT.storage API. I think is we're going to have some small transactions on this, but this to show that our contract was perfectly deployed on EVM sidechain XRP ledger. This is splendid. So this is the code walkthrough, and that of the zero knowledge is what we use to verify, try as much as possible to verify the talents and make sure that these talents are who they claim to be by with minimal witness. So you can see we have the generate witness, where we generate the witness that will be used in our inputs. So when that is done, we'll do the witness calculator or calculations. So the witness calculation calculates based on what was generated, and when it is generated, it reads those inputs and analyze them thoroughly, and once the analysis is done, it verifies your identity, whether you are real or unreal. Once the identity is verified, your real identity on the marketplace is well saved, and you can upload your videos. So that is the aspect of the zero knowledge proof. So this is a brief overview of my code walkthrough. believe that because of time I will not go more than this, so this video does not look big. Thank you.